In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate images in Shotcut. The secret sauce here is keyframes, which let Shotcut remember settings at specific points in time and then animate smoothly between them. Once you understand that, making images move, resize, and pop on and off the screen becomes quick and repeatable. Start by importing the image you want to animate. Click Open File at the top, choose your image, and confirm. It will appear in the preview. Drag that image onto your timeline, ideally on a video track above your other clips so it overlays cleanly. If you need the image to last longer or shorter, drag the edge of the clip to adjust its length to match the other tracks or to fit the moment where you want it to appear. With the clip selected on the timeline, open the Filters panel, click the plus button, and add Size, Position, and Rotate. This is the one we'll use for resizing, moving, and creating that pop effect. Before animating, set your starting look, resize the image, and place it exactly where you want it to begin. Now click the keyframe icon in the filter to enable animation. From here on, any change you make at a different time will create a keyframe automatically. To animate movement, move the playhead to a new point on the timeline and drag the image to a different position in the preview. Shotcut will create the in-between motion for you. For the pop-in and pop-out effect, we'll animate the zoom value in the filter. Move the playhead a bit forward and set the zoom to, say, 40. Move the playhead again and set it to 17. Move it again and set it back to 40. Each change drops a new keyframe and creates a quick pulse. Repeat this pattern as needed. Forward on the timeline, adjust the zoom, forward again, adjust back to build a rhythmic pop that stands out. A few tips as you fine-tune. Shorter gaps between keyframes create snappier pops. Longer gaps feel more relaxed. If the motion feels too abrupt, try smoothing it by adjusting keyframe interpolation in the keyframes panel. Keep an eye on the frame edges when you're zoomed in so nothing important is cropped unintentionally. And remember, you can always nudge keyframes left or right if the timing needs to match music or other visuals. That's it. You just animated an image in Shotcut using keyframes, movement, and a simple pop effect. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.